Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai, your subject teacher of math, and today we have to discuss on topic symmetry and patterns. Firstly, we have to discuss about patterns, what are patterns and how we can draw patterns. So listen here. A figure, shape, letter or number that can be divided or folded into two equal halves along a line is said to show symmetry. And the two halves of the figure are called symmetrical halves. As like there is a figure, you can see here that there is a figure and this figure is divided into two symmetrical halves. Line of symmetry, and this is called halves, okay. And now you know that a figure, shape, letter or a number that can be divided or folded into two equal halves along a line is said to show symmetry. And the two halves of the figure are called symmetrical halves. Okay, there are another example of this. This shows also symmetrical. These are also symmetrical halves, and this is also a symmetrical halves. And now the next one is, and this also shows symmetrical halves. In this figure you can see here that in all figure there are, you can see here that there are many figures related to symmetry. And you also know that in many figures there are more than one line of symmetry. Okay, and you know that the line that divides a figure into two equal halves is called a line of symmetry. Here dotted lines show the lines of symmetry, and a symmetrical figure can have more than one line of symmetry. And you can see here two lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here that many lines of symmetry. Okay, many lines of symmetry here is. Okay, so you can say that a symmetrical figure can have more than one line of symmetry. Okay, and now our next topic is reflection. What is reflection? When you place an object in front of mirror, you see its reflection in the mirror, and the reflection of the object is called mirror image. And you can also flip an object to get its mirror image. And look at the reflection of the letters A and B. A and B and that will be, okay, these are plane, these are mirror figures. These are mirror figures, and you can see here that these are mirror figure. Okay, these are mirror figures. You can see here that these are mirror figures, and when you place an object in front of mirror, you see its reflection in the mirror, and the reflection of the object is called this mirror image. And you can also flip an object to get its mirror image, and look at the reflection of letters A and B in the mirror, and a mirror image of some object look the same as the object as seen in A, and this is known as reflection symmetry. A letter A shows reflection symmetry while B does not. Okay, and now we have to discuss on patterns. Look at these patterns. These are some pattern in this design. Okay, you can see here what are patterns. We have to know what are patterns. Okay, and in patterns, look at these figures. Firstly, we have to know okay, and this line is called and you can see this pattern and look at this design. There are some pattern in this design. You can see pattern in nature and in object around us, and patterns are made by repetition of figure in any fixed order, and we have to know what is tessellations. Look at this figure. These designs are made by tiles that fit. The designs that are made by tiles that fit into one another without any gap are overlapping. These stealing patterns are called tessellation. Once again, these designs are made by tiles that fit into one another without any gap or overlapping. These stealing patterns are called tessellation. Okay, and now we have to know about number patterns. We have to know what is number patterns. Listen here, what is number patterns? You know that what is number patterns? You know about number patterns. Number also form patterns when arranged in a definite order, and each number pattern follow a certain rule. Okay, and you can see here that there are many examples of numbers that are 12, 16, 20, and what will be the next number? You can see here that there will be 24, 28, 32 and 46. Okay, so and so on, continue. And now we can say that there are another pattern of numbers, that is 1, because 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 4, 3 multiply 3, 9, 4 multiply 4, 16, 5 multiply 5, 25, 6 multiply 6, 46, 7 multiply 7, 49, 8 multiply 8, 64, and so on. Okay, now we can see here that is also a pattern, that is also forms a pattern, and we can take another example, that is 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 30, 37, 39, 41, and so on. And we can also take some another example, 68, 58, 48, 38, 28, 18, 8, and so on. Okay, and another example that was okay. And now we have to learn coding and decoding. Okay, today we have to also learn coding and decoding, how we can code and decode the number. You know that are letters. Okay, firstly we have to know coding and decoding. Firstly we know that there are many patterns formed by coding and decoding. and you know that ABCD 1 on A, that is first, B is second, C is third. So you can see here that there is an example. There is an example. You have to decode good morning. You have to decode good morning. Good morning. And you know that is you have to decode it. Good morning. Okay. So for good morning, what you have to decode? You have to decode it for good morning, and you have to decode it for on G is comes on 7. You know that G is comes on. You know that in good morning G is comes on 7, and O is comes on 15, and O is comes on 15, and D is comes on 4. And in morning that will be M 13, O 15, and you know that 13, 15, 18, 14, 18, or R there is 18, N is 40, and I is on 9, I is on 9, and N is on 14, and G is on 7. Okay, that is called decoding. That is called decoding. Okay, now that's your class has been over now, and now we have to meet in next video with new topic. Thank you.